Everybody, welcome back to another Babydoge guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Babydoge, but before starting this video I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Babydoge holders wake up. It's time to make a profit with the cryptocurrencies markets. I mean, it's a profit time, so wake up now in the market. Babydoge will make you a millionaire if you do this. So guys, the current price of the Babydoge in the market is very low, as you know, is in the decimal the price of Babydoge, so that's mean that very low, guys. So that's why on the other hand, if you look the changes of the Babydoge, so negative 2.21%, the price decrease more and more. So I think that's really another opportunity with all of you to please buy now Babydoge because the change is negative. I mean the change is negative, that's mean that the price falls down, the price become more low. So that's why my friends, buy now in this time. I think that's the opportunity with all of you to buy now Babydoge. Guys, if you want to make money with the cryptocurrencies market, so I think it's a golden opportunity with all of you. Buy now more and more. I know about that the currently changes is a negative, but I hope guys, with the passage of time, these all changes will become positive, and I'm sure about Babydoge is a profitable coin. Babydoge is the next Dogecoin. In possibilities, my friends, that it's the last of August, the Dogecoin price will become 0.001 USD dollar. Possibilities, my friends, we can't say about the future. And now the quick pump. So guys, my technical analysis, my price prediction about Babydoge tell us that possibilities, guys, that uh, it's the last of August on after 10th August, possibility that Babydoge will take a quick jump. So get ready for it. I hope you like this update video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates.